Welcome. In front of me is an LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application, which is in the Essentials folder. From here, tap on the three dots and go to Manage Contacts. Choose Import. And from here you want to select that you want to import from SIM card to phone. This is the only option, at least for me, but if you are logged into Google account, there is a chance that that Google account will be visible here as one of the options as well. So you can choose whichever one you want. Anyway, from here, let's tap on OK. This will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card, so you can simply tap on them, to check them, like so. As you can see, they have this check box on the letter. So once you select all the contacts that you want, simply click on Import, and there we go. We have just imported our contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.